Welcome to one and all at the launch of Umang Lambha, a new venture from DBS Communities. The 9-meter approach road lies on the Ahmedabad-Baroda State Highway, 3 kilometers from Narol Chokri. The township is around 5.8 acres consisting of 1400 units, with the amenities like urban resource center, dispensary, reading rooms, crash and ample garden space. There are 3 types of dwelling units: 1-room kitchen, 2-room kitchen and 3-room kitchen, measuring from 33 square yards to 74 square yards super built-up area and starting from rupees 3.5 lakh onwards. The inaugural ceremony is taking place inside this Shamiana. The entrance corridor is bifurcated by the sitting area in the center and the 2 display corridors on both the sides displaying the offerings from the DBS family. The site model is on the display at the end of the corridor, which opens out to a larger arena divided into 3 parts, one leading to the sample flat, another towards the counseling area which is subdivided into 2, one dedicated for SAT and one for people booking in the open category, and the third one is finance. People have come with family and were warmly welcomed with ice creams and cold drinks on this hot summer day. The volunteers are explaining the scheme and counseling and helping the clients to select the house of their dreams and directing them to the sample house to get a feel for the space. There are full-scale model of 1-room kitchen and 2-room kitchen units on display for the people to fill the actual space and specifications. Here is a father-son duo planning their interiors and space management. Here are groups of people discussing inside the sample flat while others take a pic and decide on booking the flat. Once decided on buying the flat, the people go to the finance counter to understand the loan scheme. The stalls of Micro Housing Finance Corporation, Mahindra Housing Finance, DHFL and Gru Finance are busy answering the questions and explaining the loan scheme, and also filing up the client details and procuring documents for processing the loan. After the confirmation from the finance, there is a long queue of people with booking amounts waiting patiently to book their houses. There was a discount of rupees 250 per square yard on the opening day, which encouraged people to book on the launch day itself. We are constructing the community in 2 phases. For the phase 1, 800 dwelling units were open for booking on the launch day. We had a resounding response with around 5,000 footfalls on the launch day. 1/3 of the flats were booked by the end of the day in phase 1. Umang Lambha, the key not only of home but of the whole life.